In this video, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can open your AirTM account, whether it be a personal or business account, and getting verified without getting stuck. So with that said, let's get right into it. So to get started, you can use the link in the description. It will take you to airtm.com. Now once you're on there, you just go ahead and select join now. You have the option to choose between a personal account, a small company's account, or a business solution. Now a personal account is ideal for freelancers, remote workers, and creators who need a global wallet to receive and withdraw money from anywhere around the world to their local bank. And for small companies, this is ideal for small businesses that need to receive payments from clients in US dollars or euros with no technical integration or code development required. And for small business solutions, for companies and platforms that need to pay at scale, build payments into their products, or connect their users' wallets. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using a personal account. So go ahead and select which option is best suited for you. From the drop down, you're going to select the country where you live. So let's say Jamaica. Then go ahead and select continue. To create an account, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or your Apple ID. I'll be going with a Google account. Once you select your Google account, if that's the option you chose, you can go ahead and review the AirTM's web app policy and then select continue. Here, confirm your first and last name, confirm your address, provide a phone number, provide your date of birth, and then complete the registration. And that's how easy it is to open your account. The next step is to get verified. So at the top of your screen, you'll see an option that says upload your photo. Right, so what we really need to do from here is go to verification to verify our account. So go ahead and select verify documents now. Once this pop-up comes up, go ahead and select begin verifying. Now before you begin, you will need a physical government ID and a proof of address document. Then go ahead and select continue. So here you're going to select your country of government ID, your country of residence, then go ahead and select continue. Here you're going to complete some additional details such as your occupation, your employment status, source of funds, purpose of account, and the expected monthly amount to be sent or received in this account. So from the drop down, select what best applies to you. Once you complete, go ahead and select continue. Which country were you born, select what best applies, then select continue. Now here you need to upload a photo ID. So select which best applies. So you can upload it or take a picture with your camera. So for now, I'm just going to select continue on other device so I can use my mobile phone to take a picture. So once you upload your photo or you took a picture, it will be showing as processing on your mobile phone, if that's what you use, or it will be showing as processing on your laptop. Then you'll be required to take a selfie of yourself. So once you're done, your information will be submitted for review. So just go ahead and click back to AirTM, and literally I just refreshed the page and my account was verified. So now that your account is verified, you can go ahead and open a US bank account, right? So go ahead and select home, select open US virtual account. You can choose between a US virtual account or a Euro virtual account. So go ahead and select open US virtual account. Go ahead and select start now. And that's it. Within a minute, your US bank account will be ready. So you can go ahead and click the link to view your account details. So once you scroll down, you'll see your account details.